Hello, beautiful people. CPI is in front of us. CPI is here. Um, we're back at it. I'm finally excited because CPI is coming through the market, and we're gonna do some trading finally. You know, you shouldn't be trading today. CPI is coming into the market, and you shouldn't be trading today. You shouldn't be trading today. CPI is hitting the markets. You shouldn't be putting any risk on your trading account. CPI is a sudden death even. News event, red folder news event, which kills the market, kills the liquidity resting on any side of the market. And I'm saying it with quite a big confidence that it kills the market on any side of the liquidity, because CPI release is totally unpredictable. CPI releases in what, 15 minutes from now. It's gonna come sudden, it's gonna come decisive, and it's gonna run the liquidity very, very quickly. So shouldn't be putting any risk onto the trading account today for the news event, for the news release itself, because you literally have no idea what the market is going. It can push onwards to the upside, it can crash, it can go wherever it wants to. But we have a strategy to work with afterwards. We're going to use the CPI news release as a very nice draw on liquidity later today. So I'm very excited to have you on the live stream today. And we're gonna literally try to execute the strategy that pretty much works 9 times out of 10. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna allow the CPI's news to hit the market, push the market to whatever side it wants to go, and we're gonna wait for the market to open up at 9:30, and we're gonna trade towards the liquidity that literally remains open and untouched. Today, just like with the NFP, this is one of the best trading days for me. So I'm very, very excited to be here, and I'm very, very excited to do it in front of you guys. So hope you're gonna stay tuned. At the same time, I hope everybody's having a beautiful Wednesday. Hello, Edgarus. Hello, how are you? We have 15 minutes till CPI comes into the marketplace, so we're gonna do a few things. We're gonna pass by the markets that we're trading regularly, right? Which is the dollar index. What do we have here? Down below. Yeah, who's happy right now? Buy stops got taken away from the market. We're trading above midnight. On paper, I should only be interested in taking a position here. We're gonna see. Let me just go through the charts, and we're gonna dive straight into it. I'm opening my trading account as well. Let me do that, and meanwhile, just let me know how are you guys today. What's good? What popping? I've been doing some reading up this afternoon for me, but morning for a majority of you guys. Because I've been just following how ICT is fighting with all the people online on Twitter and whatnot. It's silly. Let's put it. We talked about it yesterday. We touched base with it. It is freaking silly. But at the same time, we can have some fun reading on it, can't we? Am I right? Or am I right? I think I am. No? So, hope you're enjoying the shenanigans out there. Hope you are. You are. Hope you are. So, dollar index. Bullish on a 1 hour chart. Buy stops resting above, and now we're just pushing higher from where we're trading at. Literally, I'm coming into the marketplace without any interest in terms of what I want. Shorts might be good enough for us. Shorts might be alright here. So possible buy order here for euro. Possible order on geo. We'll see. Let's go through this. So dollar, what do we have? What are we looking at today? Low taken, this 4 hours imbalance, I don't really care about no more. This balance price range, right? I'm watching this market maker sell model pan out now. I'm incredibly interested in the market draw. See how market crashed last night? Giving space to continuously go even lower from where we're trading. Would be quite cool to continuously go lower. Would be cool. Like I would be interested in that. So what? Higher prices on everything else? Huh? Are we gonna get it? Are we? Outside resting down below. Also like this one. This can't stick. Double bottom down below. I don't know, we're gonna have to see, but so far bullish on ES, right? Nothing here so far is bearish for us, just like we expected, right? Haven't we? We said when we came to the live stream on Monday, but listen, we're gonna be interested to see price delivering higher, to do some accumulation, to do some work, yeah, before crashing for the rest of the week. So far so good, isn't it? So far so good. New day opening up here. The current one, where's the current new day opening up? That one, it's do okay. And 10th of September. So on paper, everything above this 15 is bullish here on ES. And Q now? And Q looks a lot weaker than ES. Like just looking at it right here, right now. A lot weaker. Double bottom here. I'll be honest with you guys, I'm interested in lower prices here. Not saying that for the CPI, whatever I say about what is going to happen now in 7 minutes from the current time, it's all bullshit. Trust me when I say that. All bullshit. Everything you're gonna see is going to be random. Can you trade it? You can trade whatever you want. Can you trade this profitably? Of course you can. You need to be lucky to do so. No. No. But I hope you guys enjoyed the live stream yesterday. We navigated the market quite alright, if I could say so. We've done a lot of digging, a lot of good work, trying to understand the next draw on liquidity and whatnot. Like, it was At least for me, it was a nice live stream. I had fun. I very much hope you had fun as well. I very much do. Up above. So let's see, regular trading hours. Where did we close? Hmm? Bam. Right? Here and right here. So the markets are opening in quite a, but I'm still doing the markups. I'm still trying to might even be top, not even a bottom. Right? Nasdaq is trading just exactly where it closed on yesterday's trading. Let's see, 5 more minutes to go till CPI releases. I'm not touching this, no thank you. Today's new day opening gap is reacting nicely. Like this. This is cool. I like that. Gun to my head. Be shorting this. Gun to me. I'm looking for a lower price as well, my G. Yeah. That's what I'm thinking as well, man, because it's been late. I'm repeating myself. Monday morning when we went live, what did I say? I'm looking for lower prices for the week, but the week has to accumulate a lot of buy side and sell stop resting down below before CPI so it can crash afterward. So am I looking for lower prices today? Hell yeah. Am I looking for lower prices on the CPI release, which is in 2 minutes from now? I don't give two fucks about what CPI is going to do in the market. Literally does not matter for me. I literally don't care about it. It is going to open up. I have a lot of place and a lot of space for the market really opening at 9:30. Yeah? Again, CPI, NFP, days like that, trading an hour after their news release itself, some of the best trading days that I've ever had. I'm dead serious about. 1 more minute to go. What are you guys looking for? Push to the upside here, 18,800s? Maybe. Fully possible, not saying no to that. We'll see. I would love the market to start running lower at some point today. Let's see if we can get it. Ooh, that was sudden, wasn't it? This one. See how suddenly it moved lower? Like that, I don't like that already. But at the same time, let's see. Let it rip. Boom. Here we go. Here we fucking go. Forex here on the monitors. Forex can't even fit on my monitor no more. This is nice. Double bottom taken. This is amazing. I love this. I love this. You know why I love this? So I'm gonna be mean now. I love this because I know how many people got trying to buy into this. Good stuff. Lovely. You could have never said like that you're shorting this with confidence. You would be fooling yourself if you do that. The upside, enormous push to $1. Oh. We're going, aren't we? Maybe a little bit too deep for my liking, but it's okay. So, what am I marking? So this is not gonna be a bottom, this is gonna be top. The bottom we're gonna possibly find later today. What do we have up above here? Previous day's highs. Above. And what I'm gonna mark now is CPI real high. We're gonna watch that throughout the next 40-45 minutes. We're gonna see if we're gonna be able to get to it. Not, if we don't, totally fine. But I'm gonna be supervised. Don't even need to do it. Oh yeah. First. So where do we go towards to first, huh? Do we push the market to the upside before we crash lower? Where do we want to see the market going now? It was really obvious trading on the daily ICT color. I hear you. If it was obvious, did you trade it? Like, I don't know, man. Saying this is obvious is you just fooling yourself. In my opinion, I'm sorry that I'm saying this. There's nothing obvious for the news release itself. Nothing. If you believe by the slightest, tiniest bit that this anything here was obvious for you, it's just you're gonna come to a place where you're gonna try to trade it at some point, and you're literally gonna get burned. If not today, next time you will. We watched the CPI release a month ago. And the CPI release a month ago wasn't one-sided like this. 8 out of 10 times CPI releases like it did right now. Just bomb crashes, beautiful stuff. Bomb crashes, beautiful stuff. I love that. Last month, take a look at what kind of CPI we had last month. It just literally consolidated and opened more and more and more and more. It like was like widening triangle, whatever you call it, you know? But it was just opening up the market like this, like shouting out loud, saying, "Yay! Come and get me," you know? This is the usual CPI, one-sided. We can work with that, yes. But imagine getting caught in a CPA like you had last time. And you saying that this was obvious, you're pushing yourself closer to being caught by something like that, because at some point you're going to trade it. If this is obvious for you, you're saying it because you're thinking that you can trade it. You can't. I promise you that. Believe it when I say it. It is interesting how an Q had a move up before going and the ES did not. Man. You see this? Watch this volume imbalance as well now. You see? It literally gapped on you. With sell side being taken, I love this. Like, but at the same time, I can't trade this because we know the double bottom, we know where the SMT happened, and all that. It have just shot up higher towards the earlier new day opening gaps, or just previous day high and liquidity resting up above before going lower. Easy. Why not? Easy. Yeah. Knowing that, I'm trying to, you know. Quick glance for forex. Let's see what we're trading at. This hourly. Good. Our price. Awesome. Similar situation right here. Now, 15 minutes, we're possibly going to break the structure. We are breaking the structure, but at the same time, like, we're not only breaking the structure, we're just literally running through liquidity. Huh? YouTube 2022 opening up in 7 minutes from now, maybe. We're gonna have to see. We're gonna have to see. Huh? Minutes on NQ look very good. And back to reality, right? So what are we looking to do today? We're looking to stay true to ourselves, and we're looking to stay risk-free as long as possible in a very, very clean drawn liquidity. And now both sides of the market noted. And I'm literally interested in both sides of whatever delivers first. Not just that, and we're gonna trade the other side of the. And I've been doing this for the whole year. And I'm not kidding. Watch the old New Day opening up 2 days ago. Right here, and then take a look. And we're getting a first opening for it. I'm not gonna touch it. I'm not gonna use it. I'm gonna see price. Gone. Out of my eyesight, you know? Disappeared. Sorry, I'm just sending a few small messages. Need to chat with a few people. What is going on now? 3 minutes should be nice. Yeah, exactly. Oh yeah. This is good. Oh, this is precise. It will be interesting to see if we continue to leave that high from the CPI open. It'll be interesting to see how deep are we going without, you know? Because on paper the bias is not changing up until the point that the hourly imbalance is broken. I'm looking for higher prices here, right? 5 minutes broken, 15 not yet. I get. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Forex is just thing. Let's go. Let's go. That's. I like it. If we invert this, you know the drill. That early into the trading session? Oh yeah, the trading hasn't even started yet. Oh yeah. Should go. What future? What do we have on gold? Nothing. Simply nothingness. What? Yeah, still in that range. I'm not interested. Okay. Okay. So, would I be ever interested in shorting this? No. No thanks. No thank you. I'm not. Huh? And I'm sorry, my nose is running. It's a tiny bit annoying, but if this inverts, I'm becoming a fan of the price drawing higher from considering the fact we're getting out right now. Hmm. Anybody traded this? Anybody passed any prop firm accounts with? Huh? Would be cool to know. Let me know. I'm interested to hear that. You could have. If you traded Nasdaq, rough, dangerous. But if you took a decision to trade, what is it? A decision to trade in Q. Oh, ES. I think you've been in a nice place. Let's see if we can invert this. No. I see that possibility. Us inverting this, like, I'm not gonna push the button. I'm not gonna be doing that. I'm gonna be watching carefully, but a bunch of interest. Okay. Being dead honest. No inversion so far, so still waiting it. Still waiting it out. Still allowing the market to do. Yes, looks like a nice possibility. Like what AES is off. Stop loss won't be that annoying. Oh. Let's see if this can pan out for it. Not touching it. Not trading this. No, thank you. You look at the Dow. I never look at the Dow, man. Like, for me, it's good enough for me to consider SMTs only on ES versus NQ. Like, I can work with that. Inversion setups after SMTs, like that, I love them. I'll always take them. It's beautiful. But I never consider what Dow does for the SMTs. The only time, second reason, never look at the Dow because don't trade it. For me, it's just a little bit too volatile, a little bit too nasty of a price action, so I don't, you know? But the only time that I do open, when I have no fucking idea what the indices in front of me are. Usually it happens when ES is going higher and NQ is pushing lower. You can open up Dow and you see Dow not moving at all, or vice versa, or ES consolidating, NQ pushing, lower, Dow is literally ripping through, going higher, you know. So that's the only time that I open Dow itself, because yeah, I don't trade. I don't like the asset class itself. It's just too nasty. And nope, thank you. But good questions, man. Thanks for being here. Thanks for passing by. Very nice to get questions like that. Thank you, man. Thank you. How's your journey so far? How long have you been trading? Interesting to know always. Let me know. Let us know. You know, not only me. Let us know. That'd be cool to hear. And my nose is starting to kill me. Oh no. So this is a model that Ryan Dodgy kind of, not saying took, but I want kind of took from what ICT is teaching us and put into a very nice model and back tested it back to the community, which is amazing. Like, I love stuff like that. I love the fact that he put his head down, did a lot of nasty work, and figured this out, that statistically this is what the market does. And what the market does here is that every single time we have a massive news event at 8:30, 8:30, next 45 minutes you want to find a inverted Fibonacci. It is gonna give an opportunity towards the drawn liquidity, which is either a high or a low of that news release. First inversion happened here, bam, you buy into this. I'm not touching it because I'm playing by the rules here. Promised you to live stream, and I promised you to do the challenge to get to 50k. Only using the concept that I'm teaching you. Right? Into 22. Breaker blocks. Opening ranges. Just power of 3, market maker. Sell or buy models, right? This right here, I can't take it. Because first, it's not in the set of rules that I set myself up. Second is, it's not tradable for me because the risk is just too high. On paper, you should be placing your stop loss down below these lows. Like, I can't afford these handles. Sadly, the account is way too small right now to handle something like that. Wish I could. Very much wish, but I can't. We're gonna get up there. Gonna push it. Gonna get up there, but sometime we have to give it a bit of time. And when you get into situations like that, you don't care about those versions, you don't care about nothing because the market is pushed to where? And tonight. Interesting to see how the market react to that. Yeah. If this fair value gap opens up now, at the new day from yesterday, stop loss goes to break even. Mark my words, break even. Who's in this trade though? Don't be honest with me now. Who's in this? Who took it? Who took it? You can get nasty stop out. You can get time. Would I ever be partialing this off? Possibly wouldn't. Because I'm interested in the market drawing higher. Yeah. So I would be never looking to partial anything off. I would just be letting rip. With me, without me, doesn't matter. Get to push high. Gus or Edgaras, can we please update the balance on the challenge account? Please? Would be cool. Would be lovely. Massive fucking trade if you took this, guys. Like, huge. And if you took it, I'm fucking proud of you guys. Huge. Nice, isn't this, huh? Nice, 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 nice. Nice. Now we can look for lower prices. Now we can look for that shit. $19,950? $19,950? Holy fucking hell. No, I'm just talking to Arnas on Discord. Sorry about this. Arnas is looking for $19,950. That's huge. I think IFVG is good when the intermediate. Yeah, I totally agree with you. Fully. Fully. And then the other thing is with inversions, at least for me, like you want it to run, and you want it to run immediately. You don't want the market to stick around. You don't want it to fool around. Just want it to rip apart. And we start consolidating. coming back into the range and looking weird, looking not rapid, not quick. That inversion is, to me at least for me, becoming less and less valid. Market is only opening in half an hour, dude. Like, you could have, you should be done for the day in a way already, which is insane, which is nice. But yeah, so target hit on NQ, inversion into the drawn liquidity in terms of data highs. Amazing. And we're gonna look for what's next, because this drawn liquidity is perfect. Love the fact that it drawn higher, right? But at the same time is you have to consider the fact of trying to understand where the market is going to go next, because I literally just texted it in the Discord community. When was the last time that you saw a high of the week booked on a Wednesday? Watch this. This is a Wednesday. We're looking to book a high of the week on Wednesday. I don't remember the day that I've seen it the last time. Do you? Food for thought. I very much think that this won't be it now. Unless this SMT prevails. Like, if this SMT prevails, let's fucking go. Let's fucking go then. But now at the same time, it's just like, huh? We run through shitloads of sell stops. Created an SMT right here. Watch this. Time frame SMT. Let know so we don't forget about it in a way. SMT down here, down. SMT. This red zone, this red fair value gap is hours inversion. 5 minutes now. Pushing towards yesterday. Hourly holding in the price beautifully. I don't know, man. I want the market to crash. I've been going short every single day so far this week. I was. But at the same time, I don't know. This is not a regular trading hours top. This is a bottom now. Things change quickly one day. Great salutations! Holy macaroni, long time no see, man. How are you? What's good? How was the holiday? You were gone, but we heard stories about you. How does that sound? You were gone, but we heard stories. What's good, man? Had a lovely time off back in the house. Nice to see you, man. I'm excited for you to be back. Happy to see you, man. Happy. So what's new? More kids? What else could have happened in a month time? New car? House? Or just kids? Hopefully with a new fresh hat. I hope so too, man. I very much hope. No more kid. Maybe? One? No? Maybe? As a project? No more kids. This is nice. I'm loving it. The factory shut down. Keep yourselves busy, though. Keep yourselves busy. Listen, I'm trying to understand whether I like the possibility of the market drawing even higher from where we're trading right now. I would be incredibly interested in the market drawing lower, which is my draw on liquidity longer term. Okay, Discord all caught up. Now back to the market. So what I'm saying is, fuck. Okay, watch it here. Weekly chart. Let's start here. On weekly, I'm interested in low. Oh my, can I show it on the monitor? Yeah, I can. I always can. Like, what the fuck is this? Working on the demo money. What is that? Fuck me. 190k take profit. Dude, you're oh, pure profit. The nickname and the trade says it all. Pure profit. I love this, man. This is good. I give it to you. This is good. Oh. Anywho. Remove drawings. I'm watching the price to go lower from where it is trading right now. Still. Even though we have a possible double top here above, I like this inversion being reclaimed. Let me do this inversion being reclaimed now. Possibly push the market lower where? Double bottom down below. I don't know, Arnes, if you're in the live stream. Million account downs, fuck me. I don't know, Arnes, if you're in the live stream. Like, this is what I'm watching. Also, I'm watching 50% of this week. I don't know. I understand where the wish see the price drawing higher comes from. I understand, but I'm watching lower price daily. First issue happens here because just inverted it. Another question to be answered is how deep into this range do we push? We can push deep because I'm not expecting the week to happen on Wednesday. If you're still following along what I'm going through now, great. If you're not, just stop me. I'm happy to revert to come back to whatever is necessary. Okay. This is what we're watching. Hourly bullish. The only indication that this could top is if this previous day high doesn't stay in, it stays in place. If ES never gets to it and fails to get up. Otherwise, like this was a great trade. This was an awesome trade. Hmm. We'll see. We'll see if we can get to a possible short or a possible long. We're gonna see, but the market is opening only in 15 minutes from now. Realize that, right? Realize that. We're gonna keep it a little bit boring now. Teeny tiny bit boring, not too boring that you're gonna want to leave, hopefully. But we're gonna leave it a little bit boring because we have to do some weight. We have to allow the market to open up and we have to start digging into the concepts that we use daily because like right now so much premium has been built in that I'm just worried of looking for a long position. Even though I'm not excited, again saying it, not excited for the market to pop. Not today. Anything can happen, dude. Like anything. We're gonna wait. We're gonna chill here for 40 fucking 5 minutes now. Not really doing much. Because I can, just like with CPI, I can say whatever I want. I have no fucking idea what is going to happen now. If I would know, I would trade it. But I don't know. I have no fucking clue what is going to happen next 45 minutes. I knew what will happen when I called the market, right? Called for this. But now I have no idea. I'm chilling. Waiting it out. I'm allowing it to rip without me. And it's not a problem, like I don't give two fucks about it, either. Because one thing, we're good for the day already. Second thing is I'm sticking to my guns in a way. I'm sticking to the fact that I'm only looking to trade. I know the market is nope. Yesterday's high is gonna get broken. No SMT is at the top, right? Who has a slightest idea where are we possibly going to top? Like, dude, if we're drawing towards buy stops here, I don't know. Like that 4 hours inversion is so far massive, huge. How much it pushed the market away this week, massive. Hmm. This is the midpoint of the September 5th. This one, this bad boy. It's smart. But on ES, you see how this is all balanced? Where the hell? Going up there on ES? Because I would love to find drone liquidity both markets. Like these. So these are coming from the previous live streams. I like that. Oh, here we go. Now I'm realizing what I'm looking for. Now I'm getting more excited. So watch these buy stops resting above 19040.25. I like these. I had them for a while also. We noted them during the live stream on Thursday last week. This is much better. Look at this buy side rest. Pa 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 pa. Look at this, like on ES. Who's excited for that? I am. I am. I am. Order block tagged. Nice on. Bro. Previous day high take. $19.040. Totally a possibility. Like, I'm not saying no to that. Very much a possibility. Will we? I'm sticking to this also still. You see the CPI lows? Like, these are considered. So, place. I'm not saying no to the price delivering toward. That's I'm watching too many shorts from Tanya lately. I'm watching too many shorts from her. Oh. You have the 50% here. That's rough. So let's find a place where we can find it. Possibly break the structure. We say, okay, testing the fact that possibly we're dig lower today. Be great to stick to it. So we're definitely working with everything above this is gonna remain bullish. 5 minutes. What are we looking for? We have a breaker block on both marks. Oh, we have no here. Retracing back into this breaker block. I'm possibly gonna just stick to 5 minutes chart for now. Keep it slow, keep it relaxed. I don't do anything stupid today. The markets are opening in 3 minutes. So far, what do we have for a small read? 15 minutes, hourly bullish, 15 minutes bullish. 5 minutes, I'm watching. Bullish breaker block. And then below that, exactly same. Breaker block. Breaker block. There's something I want to talk about though. That something I wanted to talk about is me doing a group mentorship, and I've been. So let's go backwards a few steps, right? We've been live streaming, we've been going live, we've been doing this for 6 months now, and kind of did it first of all to prove myself that I actually can do this in front of you guys. Because I knew that I can trade for a fact. I've been doing this for long enough to believe in myself that I'm never kind of going to run away from trading overall. But I've always been kind of scared of the possibility of doing it in front of other people. Because trading is a game that involves a lot of emotions, a lot of ego, especially for the guys. A lot of you looking to do something that is very dear to you and very special to you in front of other people, because trading profitably and trading profitably for a prolonged time period is not just you sitting in front of the chart and pushing buttons. It's you dealing with emotions, and it's you dealing with yourself. So when I say that trading in front of you guys and other people is very incredibly personal, I really mean it. Because it, crazy enough, it very much is, because you're literally dealing with emotions constantly that you're trying sometimes to hide, sometimes to cover, sometimes not to show. Sometimes you just go so deep into them that you don't even realize the fact that you're doing it in front of other people, right? So a little, a small pause into this, right, into this rant, but Lovely shorting opportunity was given. 5 minutes inversion. Who took it? Who took it? Like, incredible short opportunity here. I'm not in this, but very, very nice stuff. Lovely stuff. We're gonna continuously watch this. So, and I've been doing this not only to prove myself that I can do it, but yes, I'm to prove towards you that I'm good enough to talk about this in terms of me really understanding how the price works, being able to explain it in simplified concepts to you guys, that sometimes you guys come to me literally not knowing anything about the marketplace, how the price delivers. So simplifying it, putting it together for any sort of knowledge, and literally doing it in front of you guys, so I can build out a small, at least like we have right now, audience that kind of me. And I think we're getting to that point, because the more we do it, the more following we reach, and the more we do it, the more people are reaching out towards me saying, listen, I'd love to do it also, like this looks awesome. And I see that a lot of people literally appreciate the fact of how honest we are with what we're doing here. Because, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think we really have that no bullshit approach in terms of showing you the reality of trading, showing you how I blow up an account that is a prop firm stupid rule set that doesn't allow me to trade that how I'm used to, you know, or how I go into a losing streak of 5 days and I struggle emotionally and I want to take the hair out of my head, you know. We've been showing it all, and we've definitely been showing you guys that this is not a way to get to a Lambo. You know, this is not what Instagram shows you about trading. This is hard. This is harsh. This is dangerous also, if you don't know what you're doing and if you're going to be silly and stupid with this. Okay? But with a lot of proofing in terms of showing you guys that I can do it, proving myself that I can do it also, I'm launching a group mentoring program. Gig. Shebang. So right now I have 12 people that have been very interested in working with me in terms of doing it privately. But we would get into difficulties of arranging it and really getting to it, and time limitations on that, because if I really want to teach you how to do this, I really have to spend shitloads of time with you. And in my opinion, the best growth happens when you do the digging yourself. So I'm going to be doing the group mentoring and group mentorship for a group of 6 to 8 people starting first week of October. And I'm going to be doing it solely to teach that bunch of people, that group of people, how to read the price. How to put yourself into situations where you really know what the market is going to do. How to put yourself into a situation where you can call your grandpa. You can say, listen, watch NASDAQ right now. It's going to rip us apart. Your grandpa is going to go, oh, buddy, what are you talking about? You're going to say, just watch it, grandpa. You know? And I'm not going to do this mentoring program, this group mentorship to teach people how to trade. Because in my opinion, you can only teach yourself how to do that. Because I can teach everything that I know about the markets in 4 weeks, 6 week tops. But I'm never going to be able to teach you how to trade that quickly. Because of a very simple reason. Because once you sit in front of a chart and you open your live trading account, and the last 3 fucking days you were losing day in, day out, and you're opening the 14th position right now that is possibly going to be a 15th loser in a row, Nobody fucking knows how you're gonna behave, how you're gonna feel, and how you're gonna react to what the market is going to give you. So I'm telling you out loud, I'm not going to do this group mentoring to teach you how to trade, because that's not possible. I'm gonna be doing this group mentoring to teach you how to read the price. And that ability is awesome. That ability is gonna be a skill that you're gonna have for the rest of your life. That ability is gonna be a skill set that you're gonna be able to use in any market condition. That ability is gonna be a skill set to be used either for day trading, investing, giving financial advice, even if you want to, because you're gonna be able to read the market and you're gonna be able to figure out the next market move using the concepts that I'm gonna teach you. That a lot of them are gonna be based on ICT and algorithmic price delivery and the brilliant concepts that Michael, my mentor, created and achieved through his own mentoring programs. But I paid way too much money for his information not to share it with you, because like it's however much I paid for him, it's still invaluable for me, because my life depends on what he has given me, you know, and I trust it dearly, and I'm executing what he told me to execute much day in, day out, you know. So where I'm going with, I'm going to a place where I'm launching a group mentoring program, which I'm going to be teaching people how to read the market. I'm going to be teaching you how to read. Hopefully, if you're still listening, if you're still excited about what I'm ranting here about. And I'm going to be doing it because I want you to really learn this skill set, this trait, and maybe hopefully one day to sit together with me in the office and trade the charts together with me, because I need help. I run my own investment fund. I run now a copy trading gig together with a few guys here in Vilnius, and I need help. I need people next to me that can trade. Where I just went and teach you how to read the market. You're gonna do your own work, your own digging to learn how to trade together with me. Maybe one day we can go into a place where we're gonna be working together to trade the same account. That I'm happy to do. You know? So stay tuned. Stay tuned. I'm gonna be reaching out very, very soon. Maybe even this Friday. Yeah? And now this. Who took this short? Who took this? 5 minutes inversion into data lows, resting down below. Fuck, hell yeah, this is awesome. But I'm not trading this yet. Not yet. And the markets are open. We're excited, man, aren't we? This is so far so beautiful. Like, I can't believe this. First fair value gap of the day, doing its work. Brilliant stuff. Breaker block saying, fuck it, I don't care. Right? First fair value gap of the day, right down here, doing its work. And we're just getting pushed. What is happening right here? This is also like this going lower from where it's trading right now. Ooh la la. This is going to be great. It's gonna be interesting to see what the market gives us later today. Interesting. Woohoo! I want this inverted. I want this to go lower, man. Version. Now regular trading hours bottom. Boop. Touch that. Continuously go lower. No. Maybe. Better. A lot better. Mm-hmm. So, if you're in the short, which you should be in, 5 minutes inversion. Handle stop. 170 candlestick profit. This is fucking insane, man. You're possibly still holding on to this without any partial. Ah, okay. You should have partialed off this right here. 18827.25. This is a high daily activity. This can easily push the market higher with ease. So be careful. So you would be partialing off here. But I still like the possibility of the market running lower. I love that possibility. Let's go. I like that. Doing. But so far I'm waiting. So far I'm waiting on this because... Oh, better. Here we go. A lot better. But again, I'm still waiting because I'm interested. And the 10 a.m. is going. I want this to just continue. I'm not interested in the market getting stuck here. Let it rip. Let it go lower. Hmm. We can still draw to regular trading hours bottom. Pushing the stop loss somewhere around this now, even though... So you're pairing this wick with this fair value gap now. Pushing the stop loss down below is a little bit dangerous because the market can still draw towards. You can easily do that. Careful. Good. I don't like the fact of the market coming back up here. I don't. Nope. Lower, please. Lower, please. Lower, please. But we covered a lot today, haven't we? We covered bunches today, and what I'm thinking about is I'm thinking about just finishing off the life. Because I took my trade today already. I took this. I'm not going to show. I'm so deep into this now, even though we're drawing lower. I'm not gonna do this, man. Because I'm good for the day already. And just watch. But yeah, guys, I'll leave this to it. I'm gonna go do some work. I really want to focus on the group rented about. I'm gonna do that. And we're going live again tomorrow. Nothing is changing. Schedule is not running away from us. Doing this day in, day fucking out. So, I'm gonna see you tomorrow. If the data loss gets taken, I have no draws on liquidity anymore for today. Just stay away from this. You didn't buy into this and you chickened out. Didn't short this and you chickened out. Away from this. Fine, but don't try to touch it anymore. Just make it easy on yourselves. Don't touch it now. If this data low gets taken. If not, continuously watch the draw on liquidity. But knowing the fact that there's an SMT now at the lows, he has traded lower